Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the area of circle. In this area of circle, we'll discuss area of segment. Area of segment and area of sector. First example today is the chord of a circle is 10 centimeter. The chord of a circle of a radius, chord of a circle with the radius 10 centimeter subtends the 90-degree right angle at center. Find the area of minor segment and find the area of major segment. As I said earlier, segment means the minor segment. So minor segment is theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sine theta. Theta is 90 by 360. The radius is 10, so pi will be 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus half into 10 into 10 into sine 90 is equal to 1. This is 4. This is cancel. This is 157 by 2 minus 50. So this is 157 minus 100 by 2, 57 by 2, that is 28.5 centimeters. Second part is major segment. Major segment is area of circle minus area of minor segment. Circle is pi r square minus 28.5, 3.14 by 100 into 10 into 10 minus 28.5. This is cancel. So this will be 235.5 centimeter square. Example number 2. Find the area of shaded region. Shaded region find the area of shaded region. This is 12 and this is 5. This is 90. We'll join this A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Therefore, AC will be equal to 12 square plus 5 square under the root diagonal. AC will be 30. AC is diagonal as well as diameter of, so radius will be 13 by 2. We have to find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be area of circle minus area of rectangle. Area of circle is pi r square minus half into base into height, 3.14 by 100 into 13 by 2 into 13 by 2 minus half into base into height, 12 into 5. So this will be 132.6 minus 60, 72.67 centimeter square. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 3 cows are tied up with the 3 corners of a rectangle. So 3 cows are tied up with the 3 corners. The rope is 10 centimeter. Rope is 10. So that means this much, and this much area it can graze. This is 10, this is 10, total is 26, 34, 42. Question was, find the area the cows can graze. So cows can graze, cow A can graze A by 360 pi r square, B can graze B by 360 pi r square, C can graze C by 360 pi r square. In all the cases, the radius is same. So we'll take common. Pi r square is common, by 360 is common, that will be A plus B plus C. Angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Is equal to 180 to pi 3.14 by 100 into 1 by 2 into 10 into 10. So it can graze 157 meter square of area. The question is how much it cannot graze. Then the area of triangle by scalene triangle minus area of which it can. Next question. Next question is from the paper in the form of a rectangle. A semicircular part is cut. This is 28, this is 18. Semicircular part is cut out. A, B, C and D. Question is, find the area of shaded region. Find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be area of rectangle minus area of semicircle. Area of rectangle is 28 into 18. Area of circle pi r square. Radius will be, because this is 28, so radius will be 40. So 28 into 18, 504 minus 2, 190, 308, which will be equal to 190 centimeters square. So that is all for today. If you have a problem, please call me at 9988506200 or 94170136. Do the sums carefully, draw the figure and finish everything in right. Thank you.